Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I will be using these neon powders by Let's Resin, and the theme of today's project is going to be a pop art here. So I'm going to try these pigments. So let's start. I really love these pigments because they work really well. Plus you get so much in the bottles and the color variation is also amazing. So I have already mixed my resin. Now I'm going to divide it into these cups. So there are already so many colors and it was really difficult to decide which one to use. So I will be using these ones. So these are very nicely pigmented mica powders. I do have used them into the casting powder as well, and I got a very vibrant results. I will link the video above here, so if you like to see that how these perform in the casting powder, you can see there. So in this way I will be mixing the colors that I want. So I will be making some alphabets, and they are going to be alphabet keychains, letter keychains, and the theme is going to be the pop art. Again, I will link everything in my description. Sometimes I do forget, but a lot of you do help each other, so thank you so much for that. So I will be going with random alphabets. So this is actually going to be the first step, and then I will leave them to cure, and I will see you next day. This is the next day, and already you can see how vibrant these are. So I am just selecting the side that I'm going to work on. So now it's time to create the pop art effect, and what I will be doing here is that I am using these Posca pens. So I'm going to give a sort of a outline here to give that cartoonish effect. So I will be making outlines on all of these alphabets with the black marker. So these are done now, and actually you can make your coasters also with this way, and they look really amazing. But I went with a little bit of alphabets today. So for my white pigment color, I'm going to paint this white pigment here. So this is going to be the shiny look on the pop art here. So I'm giving that effect. So then again I will be doing this to all of the alphabets. So now comes the fun part, and the fun part is that either you can use the stickers that are meant for the pop art, or you can draw yourself. So I will be making a small drawings onto these alphabets. So I will be making some hearts, and then again I will outline them with the black pen. And as I explained that I will be using a black pen to outline them. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. And now I will be doing a top coat, and I will be using a UV resin for this. And after doing the top coat, they will go under the UV lamp. So now it's up to you if you want to drill holes. I'm not going to drill any holes. I'm going to use these bills. So these are meant for using for necklaces, but I'm going to use them on my letters. And for this, again, I will be using a little bit small amount of UV resin on the back of these alphabets, and then I will secure them. So these alphabets are done now, and on to the next part. That was really fun actually, and I wanted to create this. So you can use any keychains, it's really up to you, but I went with a little bit of over creative, you can say. So I will be using this neon powders again, and in this cup I have silicone that has been already mixed. So these are different ways how you can make your keychains. So I'm just showing you my way here. So in this way you can make your own silicone straps for your alphabets. So it is already mixed, and now I'm going to pour this into the mold, and this mold is meant for making bookmarks, but I will be using this as a strap. Now the thing is that whenever I pour silicone into a silicone mold, it is always a fear that it might not come out. So I'm going to risk this, and I'm going to see that. So now it's time to demold, and I actually poured the green neon and the yellow neon, so I'm going to remove it out of the mold now, so fingers crossed. So it is coming off nicely, and I was really happy about that the idea was there, and if it works, it is really amazing. And here we go, it is out of the mold and it is ready for using in for my alphabet. So my silicone is a bit on the sticky side, but it is really perfect, and I actually demolded really fast, but it will cure, trust me. And now it's time to demold the yellow one, because I was really curious, so that's why I was just demolding it really fast. By the way, I'm using Let's Resin silicone here, and I just took out the corner and it comes out really easy, and I haven't put anything in the mold, but still it did work. So I made these matching with my alphabets, and I did pour some silicone into this paw mold. It is a cat paw mold. It is really cute, and I'm going to use this as a extra element in the keychains. Now time to assemble, and I'm using pulling out my keychains, my key rings. Now I'm going to assemble them and show you the final look. So this is how they turned out. I added those silicone straps on the top of it, and then I added a little bit of accent. I just as I showed you the cat paws that were meant for just a little to add addition to create some interest, although they are so vibrant on their own. I'm just loving them. Using these vibrant neon powders do make me really happy, and I hope it do the same for you. And also these silicones are meant for playing. If you have, you can say it is a sensory sort of a fun element to the keychain. You can press it and pass your time by doing this. So that's it for today, and I hope you like them, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. And again, thank you so much to all the lovely subscribers and who send me coffees and lots of help and support and positive feedback and comments. Everything matter a lot. Thank you so much. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.